excited about the software. It's a project that I've been working on for the last few months with a couple of partners of mine, and it's a project which we really wanted to create because we wanted to find a way if we could engage people better on sales pages, on videos. Right now, there's a lot of videos that are coming onto the web every single day. Businesses are now using video more than they ever have, and it's harder to stand out. And the less time that you hold people in your video, the less people are actually going to convert. So we figured out a way of actually being able to engage people while they actually watch your video. And that's what Engage Builder will do. Depending on what's on your video, or what time your video has run for, our software will actually engage the visitor all around the page and inside the video itself. It's a really cool technology, and I can't wait to show you this in action. So join me on my computer right now. I'm actually going to go through how you can use this in your business and why Engage Builder might be a really cool tool to use in your business to help you make more sales and generate more leads from your websites.
Okay, so this is Engage Builder. Now right here we have all of the different videos we've added with Engage pages. Okay, you can see here we've got preview, embed code, edit, and push to Facebook, which is an upgrade feature, as well as delete as well. You can go through and you can actually grab all the details from these. You can view them in a list view, you can view them in a grid view if you want to, as you can see right here. We've also got down the left hand side here integrations, create engagements, and also a number of other features. Now these are pro features right here. They're not included with the front end. If we want to start our first engagement, what I recommend doing first is adding your integrations. This will integrate with all of the different autoresponders that are out there. You can choose your autoresponder, you can choose to connect it, and it'll automatically connect that autoresponder into the system. So when you're doing your engagements, when you're creating your pages, it'll actually automatically integrate into your autoresponder. Okay, let's create our first engagement. To create your first engagement, click on Create Engagement and then enter the name of it. It could be whatever you want into this section right here. I'm going to type in Engage Builder. Then we choose where our video is from. In this case, it's from YouTube. Now, if I wanted to, I could add an intro and an outro to these videos. So an intro might be a flash opening of your logo. It could be an outro, which is a flash, exit of your logo that you could be using for a training video, a sales video, or something else. Once you've done that, click Save Video Details, and we're on to the second step. Okay, so here we are in the second step. Now, this is the builder step. This is the place where you're able to first of all select from a range of different templates that you may want to use. So you might want to use a particular template, say this one here. We've pre-built it for you to give you a layout that you might want for your Engage Builder page. So here it is right here. We've got our video, it's in the center. We've got a headline. We've got our button down here. You'll also notice that we've got a grid system right here. If you at any time want to add an additional grid, a title, a headline, or a different column, depending on whatever look you're going for, you can add in those different columns here. Then you can actually drag in these HTML elements, and they'll allow you to basically build your page as you want it to look within this builder. To edit anything, it's just a matter of hovering over the image, and you can actually then replace this placeholder right here. You can also replace the text very easily again by clicking the settings icon here, and you're able to then change this as you want it to change. You can also add in different styles if you want. You can adjust the look of this if you want, and you can replace any of this text as you want as well. Once you're ready, click Apply. You can adjust the font, you can adjust any part of this, and if you want to add an engagement to it, click the clock button right here. This allows you to add an engagement in at the period of time that you want it to happen. You can also watch a preview of how this will look with the different engagement settings that we have here. We can also add an exit engagement as well. Now over top of our video, if we want to add something over top of our video, say a call to action during the video or something else, we click on the settings button up here, the settings icon, and we're able to then edit how the video responds on the page. We can choose to auto start it, we can choose to loop it, we can choose to pause it when the video goes off screen, we can hide the video controls. We can also add a form overlay, which means that you can generate leads over top of the video. It'll stop when you want to and allow you to then generate a lead. It'll ask the person for their email before it actually moves on to the next step. That can happen at the end of the video, it can happen at the beginning of the video. You get to choose what time that will happen. So you could say subscribe to find out more. show at the beginning of the video, show at the end of the video, or you can choose a custom time where this may begin. Now, once someone enters in their email, you can actually have it that it will continue playing the video. So it could happen after 10 seconds, you decide that you want this person to subscribe, and then after that, once they've subscribed, it will then continue the video. Once you've done that, click apply and it will add that effect over top of your video. Now after 10 seconds, it's actually going to pop up an opt-in which I'll be able to subscribe to, like the opt-in that you're seeing on the screen right now, popping up, encouraging a visitor to add their email address. And this can be used in so many different ways to really hook people in. You can also add call to actions as well. So if you just want to add a call to action button, you don't want anyone to enter their email, you just want them to buy something, you could actually have a buy button popping up at the time that you want this to go up. You could have it happening when the person stops a video, or you can have it at a specific time. You could actually have it that the CTA bar will pop up inside of the video, and then if they want to, they can actually either cross it and continue playing, or you can force them to actually have to click the button. So that's also available, and it looks like this as you're seeing right here. You can also add call to action buttons on your pages as well. You can edit them, and you can add different effects to them as well. You can edit the look and feel of them, you can edit whether they open up in a new window, and you can animate and bring them to life as well, as you're seeing right here. So once you're finished, once you've actually added your effects as you want, you've created the page you're looking to create, like the one that I've built right here earlier, now what I can do is I can choose to click next. And what it's going to do is the system is going to take me to an embed code. Now that embed code is what gets added into your page. So if you're using, say, a HTML page, this is fine. You just add this into the to wherever you want in the actual page itself, and it will then be added and appear on your page. If, say, for example, you have a developer that's building a web page for you, you could add this in. If you're using a site builder like OptimizePress or ClickFunnels, then you can copy and then paste this in as well, and it will then work. So I've now pasted this code in, and you can see it in action on my screen right now. You can create all sorts of different pages with this software. There really is no limits for what you can do with Engage Builder. This is a new software that's really going to help you stand out. It's going to give you the ability to engage people on your page like never before, and this new technology will really make it a lot easier to get people taking actions on your website as you want as well. Not only that, but this is also a great option when it comes to helping businesses to really stand out and make a difference in what they're doing as well. And with so many different videos on the web, this is a software that will really help you to grab people's attention for a longer period of time. So thank you for listening. This is Sam Becker. I encourage you to go down below, find out more about this software, and I look forward to seeing you on the next, or hopefully creating your Engage Builder pages. All right, I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.